So, Roma, partnership, no?
Yeah.
New technology, new shoes. Something is happening, something added. Do it,
Romain
HP,
and something added, co-founder.
and we are basically partnering in creating a new technology, an ecosystem, a business ecosystem between extended partners like Evonik, other manufacturing partners that we cannot name names, in order to take the very known MJF technology, but expand it to new horizons that are customized for a specific use case, which Roma will tell you about. As you see, we are talking about color elastomers, performance elastomers, which is a specific technology that we co-develop with something added in order to.
I think the ambition is easy, is to make the best additive technology for footwear. So here you have the first prototype, but we work together. So it's a very lightweight shoe, so less than 190 grams. Designed and engineered to win marathon with 3D MGF midsoles and a very lightweight 3D circular uppers. So this is the first prototype. It's just the beginning of what we are doing. But yeah, the ambition is clear.
I can tell you that I ran between different sites in Formnext with these shoes. You can, and it's very, very comfortable. It's very, very comfortable. I probably covered it twice as fast just because it's really working. I'm not a marathon runner, but I'm faster with them. Um, I do think that another aspect that is interesting in the partnership is really to understanding the ecosystem, what each brings to the partnership, what we are good at, what something added is good at. Something added brings innovation beyond the midsoles. We are their technology partner for the midsoles. And
Not only for the midsoles, for the materials, for the customization process we have behind. I think, well, at something else, we are very grateful to have this kind of partnership because I think it's the first time that we are doing a kind of custom R&D program. And it's what is needed for the industry. It's what is needed to shape the future of the industry. So we still have a long path to do. But I mean, here you have at least the first prototype that is really working. We are developing with this with athletes too. So we'll have a lot of feedbacks behind. And yes, let's meet at the next Formnext. And I think we'll have we're gonna meet a shoe.
yes, and maybe a marathon runner winner.
And I hope a marathon runner winner, yeah.
Yes. I want to welcome all of the footwear companies. Something added is a contract manufacturer for any company. So we are welcoming any footwear company to come to HP, come to something added. Let's develop your next shoe.